Oh, this is number 29. Let's go take him away. Whoa, come on. We would get up every single morning and my walkway would be destroyed. We knew it was a raccoon. We knew it was a pest, but we could not catch him. We caught him one time and he destroyed the trap. He opened a hole, he bent it, and we had to repair it. I was hoping it wasn't a cat. Sure enough, we caught him. We got you. We finally got you. Yeah, you're gonna be rehoused. Don't worry, folks. He's gonna be happier where he's going. See how I know it's the same one? He keeps wanting to go out the back. See? The back that he destroyed. If he wasn't the same one, he would always be looking the other way. That's how I know it's the same one. Finally caught him. So we gotta take him really far, far away so that he doesn't come back and eat my worms. We have to go over this waterway. This is called the Little River. He'll have to either swim across or walk across this bridge, which I'm sure he doesn't like it because of all the cars. He'll have to go over that mountain right there, over this mountain, and across this major highway. But I think what's going to deter him the most is having to swim across this river. His destination is over this mountain in front of us. So he's not going to come around, believe me. He's going to have a beautiful home in the Foothills Parkway. See? At the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. He'll love it better there. So much better than my house. There you are. Are you ready? Now he's looking the right way. Look at this. Smart animal. Yeah, go. Go, go, go. Keep going. Keep going. I see you there, buddy. I see you. I see you looking at me. Ha, you're not going to hitch another ride home. Okay, we're home now. I hope never to see him again. I hope he stays there in his new home. Doesn't come and eat my worms anymore. Hope you like that little ride. We're home now. Bye-bye. And as always, hit the bell, like, share, and subscribe.